Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add text box to your Canva project. Now let's begin. Initially, what you have to do is look at your left hand side. Here you will see something like designs, elements, text, brands, uploads, and others. For now, we focus on text. You can see here that there are different types of text styles. If you simply want to add a text box, click on this button, and there you have it. You have your own text box ready for your personalization. You can change the font to whatever you wish. You can make it bold, you can make it italics, anything you wish. Just add your text. Now you can make the text bold, change its colors. Well guys, there you have it. That is how you add a text box to your Canva project. For more informational videos like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.